So by practicing that, basically I'm adjusting my current position from 3,700 to become like 4,500 or 4,600. When I get to that point, that means the market is gonna come, I'm gonna stay, if you follow my cursor, it's gonna stay around here, right? It's gonna come up around here. And then from that point, the market, once it's gonna declining and go bearish, basically that's the point I'm gonna make a good money out. But at this point, the market is not there yet. So the market basically has three choices. Either it can go upward, which is the bullish, or downward, which is the bearish, or it could go sideways, which is the accumulation. So up to that point, I'm gonna keep this position open, and at the time of the market that is gonna make a decision and start moving, then based off that movement and my understanding, I start making a decision for it. But I'm gonna give you something about this market. If I'm gonna go to 1 hour chart, basically the chart that I'm mostly interested in is 15 minutes chart frame. If I'm gonna come to the 15 minutes chart frame, and if I'm gonna, okay, over here, as you see in 15 minutes chart frame, so basically the market over here at the time that it was declining and hit 3,837, if you're gonna come and take a look at the MACD hit over here, bounce back up, right? The MACD is moving really sharply, but as you see, based off the market movement, the market didn't move much. But that's a trick right over there. That's a trap. Once the market pull back down again, right? That's the shown, because once it pulled back down, you see the MACD start dropping significantly, but the market didn't move down much, right? So that was the point that indicates that the market is going to go to the reverse mode, which is the upward, and ultimately it's going to be a bullish market. But because I already had a position in the market, I didn't risk it, so I kept my position open in order to see what's going to be a next move for the market. But at this point, we're gonna keep it intact, and then within a couple of days or so, hopefully there is a big move in the market, and based off that, I'm gonna show you guys what I have done. As you see, the market moves like here, and right now we are at this point, right? So let's go to the 1 hour chart in order to have a better understanding. What I'm trying to show you guys is that this is 1 hour chart, and you can clearly see the MACD was bouncing over here, and as you see, it just came down, go back up. But as you see, even for 1 hour chart, the movement of the MACD was significant, but the movement of the market shows that the market over here was accumulating, right? And is the other sign of declining. So it just moved back down based off the lowest low, previous lowest low, right? And then out of the sudden, the market start changing the direction and go to the reverse mode and pull back up again. So based off that, we're gonna keep this position open, and then we're gonna talk about it just a little bit more in the next video. My point is that whenever the market is to start moving, you gotta be careful, and this is your duty and responsibility in order to safeguard your cap, right? So other than that, you're gonna lose it. So my position at this point, my first duty is that I supposed to keep my position open and watch it vigilantly in order to make a decision, in order to make money out of the market, not losing the money. So that's gonna be the end of this video for you guys. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted for this position until it's gonna close in favor of me. Thank you so much for watching us and following us on YouTube. By the way, if you guys don't know about our YouTube official YouTube channel, which is the Quant Quest Academy, and also you can follow us on Instagram, which is the Quant Quest Official. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Up to that point, stay tuned, stay healthy, and be careful about your position and the market. Thank you so much.